All right, I guess I am live right now. Let's share the link on Twitter. I think it will show the thumbnail. Okay. Yeah, I guess that's enough for now. So I will quickly make a summary of what this project is about because someone came along and may not know the project that I'm working on right now. Just to get perfectly transparent with you, this is 3 o'clock right now. Making this video as a live stream is pretty hard because I don't know why, but it's definitely out of my comfort zone. That's why I just have some kind of excitement and a little bit nervousness and stuff. And but again, the purpose of doing this is to market this process. It's for self-marketing without a budget, and also like self-documenting this process, so that when I look back and I'll be able to see what steps I took and which steps that I can do better, which logical fallacies that I experienced, and the self-marketing and self-documentation were 2 reasons that I'm doing this live stream. I don't expect anyone to watch this from top to bottom because it will be very long and it is boring most of the time. Anyways, maybe I can edit this process later. But the main goal of this live stream, the goal of this live stream is 2 reasons, as I said: self-marketing and self-documentation. The content of this live stream is about earning dollars from my products. I like to make monthly recurrent revenue of $1 in June 2023. I've been recently laid off. The company went bankrupt, and I wanted to prioritize this idea of building my own products. So before doing interviews and stuff, I will do interviews. I'm texting with some recruiters, but I don't allocate specific time for job search right now. But I do allocate some time for this. All right, so $1 is a bit small step. It will go like $1 for now, and then $10 and $100. So I don't want to build a perfect product. I just want to build an okay product with minimum set of features, and I'd like to earn money from it via donations, because that's what I thought would be the easiest step to get dollars. And all right, you may also ask, why am I doing this in English? Why not in my native language, which is Turkish? The purpose of this is also like self-marketing, because I'd like to, like, even this product that I'm currently doing is is aiming to access the customers of Turkey from Turkey. The customers of this website will mostly will be Turkish, but I'm doing this in English. The the reason for that is that I'd like to be considered as indie hacker in the whole world. In the like some other dude that I will be meeting maybe 2 years from now. I'd like him to watch these videos in case he's interested in the product or so, or in case he or she is interested about live streaming this kind of building in public process. So that's why I'm doing this in English. And also, like, it's just I gotta admit that I'd like uh, I like talking English in some situations because it feels as a different part of me. It feels like new language brings you a new character, I guess. It doesn't bring you a new character, but it enables you to build some other persona than who you are currently. I mean, yeah, just to be honest with you, that's the thing. All right, so let's go back to the product. It's about finding Latin dance nights. It's this will be the URL. It will be a website that shows the Latin dance night events around your city. Currently, why am I doing this? So I have bad experience. I mean, I have bad experience about finding these Latin dance events. When I went to Manchester, when I went to Edinburgh, finding a dance night as a tourist was pretty hard because some people publish events from Eventbrite, some publish from Facebook events, some publish from Instagram, and there can be a private Instagram channels, like private Instagram channels also, and you need to first access to their like you need to first wait for them to approve your follow request. Okay, so it's a bit mess. And even as a not tourist, like I am currently living in Istanbul, and when I want to find dance nights, usually I have some idea of what dance night events can be. Today, for example, today it's Saturday and there's a regular dance night in Taksim, for example. It came up to my mind, but there are always new events emerging, and it can be nearby me, and it can be a very good event, and I'd like to learn more about them. Usually, you learn them from specific Instagram channels, and you need to follow them. And I mean, you need to enter to Instagram first, and you need to escape their dopamine logic. I mean, you can get lost in Instagram by searching these, and it's a bit mess. And I'd like to just enter this fine Latin night, okay, just right away. I want to see them as in here. All right, I'm just going to check any comments about the content. Okay, no, I think I think it's okay right now. Yeah, this I will enter this website and look at this. This is the URL, and I will just right away see there's a I will see the events sorted by their date, and it shows the date, it shows the title, the amount of money, I mean the price, it shows the hours, it shows the venue, and it shows which musics will be playing there. And when you click on this title, it will redirect you to the original post of the event, and so users can get ideas about about some other topics, like who will be the DJ, who will, like, will there be a workshop or not, or is there discounts for the students and stuff. Okay, like we will probably have a detail page in the future which will show these information as well, but I don't think it's necessary for now. I don't think it's I think it's okay to have these features for now. And I mean, but for now, I mean, for making just $1, okay, maybe I will not need them until making until, like, maybe I can have $10 by only this thing too. All right, I just want to have minimum set of features. Okay, that's all I want to say. For example, in the future, you can click this location and it can direct you to the Google Maps, and you can use directions and navigation within it, and yeah, which will ease the process. Okay, I think this, okay, for example, I can use the I would like to use this product if there exists one. Okay, back to this, and there is a competitor there I want to mention. It shows some dance events, but it has some bugs. Like it doesn't show the places environment. It doesn't show the demographics. It just shows just an old post, which is mostly outdated. It has some bugs, as you can see here. This is not 22nd June. This is 17th June. And that this is a competitor. Okay. Yeah, I listed the important information about dance events. Maybe we can use these later on, but for now it's pretty simple. So the sketch is currently on UI design, which is done by my lovely sister Canan. She will be doing that, and before she completes that, I want to continue to work on this project. So this will be the database table for events. This was done yesterday before closing the live stream. So there is an ID, title of the event, image of the event. By image, like I don't mean post. I mean the environment image. Okay, the venue information, price of the event, does play bachata, salsa, kizomba. There is an external URL to redirect users to the original post, and start date time and end date time. Okay, why start date time and end date time? Because we'll be showing the hours range. Okay, and we'll be using the date of start date time to show the date of the event. Okay, so this will be the table of it, and then yeah, I did some market research about it, main audience, main features and stuff. The main audience is that people who dances or wants to learn social Latin dances, and who wants to see the upcoming events in their city. Like I want it to be a very quick way of learning it. Okay, I just want it to be like very fast. Okay, and also, like, lastly but not least, to have donations. This is one alternative. they provide some beautiful UI that you, for example, you say, buy John a coffee, and it handles the payment logic by itself. Um, like, I don't think, I mean, there is a problem of that you need to accumulate $50 to be able to check, to be able to receive it to your bank account. $50. Uh, yeah, but yeah, I think maybe some other alternative can be found, but this seems pretty well known solution. So I'll be I'll be probably using this. But I'd like to just let me double check this. Somebody told me. Um, Somebody told me this. I think she was an artist from Kadıköy. Okay. Like Turkish bank account. Um, Payoneer. Okay. By the way, I can just ask this uh, to 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 here. Um, let's just let's just copy paste this. But PayPal doesn't support. I think these are, yeah, pretty good alternatives. But should I need to think about this currently? I don't think so. I don't think so. Um, Yeah, let's just wait for maybe somebody will help me from there. I don't think. Yeah, I have a little. I don't have much audience, to be honest, in Twitter. But like usually the problem because I mean the usual problem is due to the fact that I live in Turkey, because some payment solutions doesn't work in Turkey, and so like experience from the Turkish developers becomes important in this kind of situations. I'll be having some towel. Let me check any comments has been made here. No. Anyways, that's relieving actually. Okay. All right. All right. So what are the next steps? So my sister, Canan, will complete the designs on Figma. Meanwhile, I'll be implementing the website and deploying it without Figma design. Okay. Sorry for my typos. Okay. Canan implements the website and deploys it. And okay, like this is the hardest part for me, like ideation process and stuff. I guess it was not that hard for making $1. Okay, but this part is a bit hard for me, very hard for me, to be honest, because I usually worked as a backend developer, but mostly I worked on some custom logics. Yeah, I did backend development. Anyways, I think I'm just overthinking. I didn't do any front-end development except from some university projects. I did just manipulated HTML and CSS. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see this. So, implementing the website and deploying it. And I write this because this will be a big topic for me. So, do we have, like, other than that, maybe I want to have a I want to have paragraph style subheading. I guess this will be subheading. This subheading, which is body, yeah? Interesting. Okay. So yeah, let's see. Okay. So, okay, I want to break this down into few manageable, achievable steps, okay? So, I do have the database schema. I don't know about the tech stack that I'll be using. I can, like, it makes sense to use Django since I worked on it previously. Um, okay, I'm getting overwhelmed by the complexity of this. Let's talk with ChatGPT of implementing a website and deploying it. Website is about uh, is about it's the dance events ordered by date. That's it. No user login, like no user interaction is needed instead of, right? I mean by interaction I mean like such as, I mean I don't think to explain it. No user interaction is needed except the redirection of the user to original dance event post after clicking into the dance event title. Okay, okay, so I do have experience on building backends with Django. I do have small experience. I mean, let's say I don't have much experience on front-end development and deployments. I want to be able to serve this website free. I think it will be possible because it won't use much energy. Okay, I want to be able to serve this website free or with very, very low cost. Okay. I think there are like AI. First of all, can you, is there, but I don't think like this is ChatGPT 3. It's not 3.5, so I'm not guessing that it is not. So I guess it is not very recent. Recent. So I don't know, like because there are some AI website generators and stuff. Okay, what other information that I can give to this so that it will just list the steps? Can you provide the list of measurable steps to build this website and deploy it. Dude, I did this. Okay, it just... Okay. So planning and design, define the overall structure and layout of it, that's done. Decide on the technologies and tools you'll use, such as Django for the backend and the front-end framework, like React or Vue.js optional. Why optional, man? Sketch out the design of the website, including the dance event listing page. That's what I did, man. That's what we are currently doing. All right. Just check the chat. Backend development. Set up a new Django project and use an existing one. Create a Django app to handle the dance events functionality. Define the models for dance event, including attributes like title, date, link. Implement the necessary views and URL routes to display the dance event listing page. Retrieve the dance events from the database. Pass them to the template for rendering. I think I can use the Django admin's functionality for this purpose. I think I can do that. It's like at first I can build the Django project. As said, I can implement the models, I can do the migrations, but with which database? Is it important for the deployments? I mean, I want to build I want to show this website as with free. Like my hope is to make it free to serve on the cloud. So the database can affect that, maybe. I don't know. I just don't know. But let's assume it's PostgreSQL. And yeah, I implemented the Django models. I made the migrations. I opened the Django admin. I added dance events to there. And when I open the admin list view, I will be seeing the whole dance events. Right. And then I can deploy it to somewhere so that I can access it from, not from my local host, but from a remote URL. I can buy the URL at that time. Like, yeah, front-end development. Decide on the front-end framework you'll use for your project. Create the necessary HTML templates for the dance event listing page. Set up CSS styles to achieve the desired visual design. Integrate any front-end framework if you choose to use for enhanced interactivity. Okay, like I will receive the Figma file from my sister, and this Figma files, I believe, uses it generates the CSS for me, and I can use it with the help of ChatGPT without using React or Vue.js. I'm guessing. All right, so let's up to Django and React. Do you say? Okay, yeah, I'm reading the comments in the chat. Yeah, I'll be using Django, but React, for React, yeah. Why am I overthinking? Yeah, it's just, yeah, I'm feeling like I'm just afraid of uh, bumping into a new territory and not being able to complete it. So, but maybe it's true. Yeah, we will go step by step. Okay, hugging myself. Um, testing locally. Verify that the links redirect users to the original Dance Events posts. Choose hosting provider that suits your budget and requirements. Some popular options include Heroku, Python Anywhere, and Versa or Ver, whatever it is. Follow the hosting provider's documentation to set up your environment and deploy your Django application. Configure any necessary environment variables such as database connection details. Test your deployed website to ensure it's working as expected. Domain name maintenance and updates. Should I? Should I trust this and move with it? I mean, that's the only choice I have right now. Okay. Let's. Okay. I want to have this in my bedroom. I want to have this in my note thingy, and I want this to be to do thingy, and we'll follow it. Okay, we'll see. We'll just iterate. I'm not expecting myself to just find the perfect process because I will not. I don't have much experience on it. Okay. So planning the overall structure and the layout of your website. It's done. Decide on the technologies and tools you'll use, such as Django for backend and the front end from it, like React or Vue.js. My friend told me that Vue.js has some advantages. I'll just check out his comment. From where? From, yeah, he suggested Next.js. He said you can easily deploy it from your GitHub repo to Vercel, which is a deployment platform. I'm checking the chat. My friend just notified me. If you need a feed for dance posts, you should use React-like frameworks because they are more flexible. Regular HTML is a bit hard to implement a feed because the feed is not static. You have to handle dynamic things like horizontal or vertical slidings of the post. Okay, so this feed will be mostly static because new events are not like, it's not like Facebook or Twitter. I will manually add these events at some time. and you will just easily be able to, I mean, all you will do will be just to scroll this page, and I mean, it sounds static to me. It's not like dynamic, but my definition of dynamic and static can be different from yours because I don't know front end. Horizontal or vertical slidings of the yeah, I did it. Yeah, I didn't solve your comments, Onur. Why YouTube doesn't show that? Maybe I can see it in OBS. Can I see the comments in OBS? I think view docs chat. Okay, when you add a new post, shouldn't they move downward? Yeah, they will be moving downward. But I was just guessing that, I mean, when the user, but okay. Oh yeah, I'm just not sure. I'm just not sure what to do about the comments you wrote, Onur. I'm not able to see it right now. Hmm. You will fast implementing your projects in the future. Let me see. I'm just checking when I will be using this front end stuff, and I just have one question. If I do have the Figma files and the CSS files from that, do I need to still use like React or Next.js, because it will just provide me the CSS files, and I just want to do less amount, like for this purpose I just want to make $1 and that's all. Okay, and if the CSS that will be generated from the Figma will be enough, I don't want to learn another technology. Yeah. Okay, I think these. I'm just going to take a screenshot of these in case I will not be able to access them later. I will take a look at these suggestions because I'm not able to interpret it right now. I will start with the backend flow first, and then when I move to front end logic, I will try to um, consider the next steps with the light of these comments, because like I don't think there is something that I need to do right now, but I will be needing these things. All right, so can I have this chat in all pages? I don't think so. Can I just send a hug, or lol? Okay, anyways. I'm just going to open the I've opened the notifications of my phone so that I'll receive if anything emergent. Okay, okay, thank you, Baba. And another. Something weird happened. OBS quit recently. Let's just ignore it. Okay. I was just trying to send heart from OBS and it failed. Okay. Okay, sketching out the design of the website is completed. Decide on the technologies that and tools you'll use, such as Django for the backend and a front-end framework like React or Vue.js or Next.js. As Onur said, I will be. I didn't decide this on yet, but like. Yeah, I think let's let's say that I will use Django and Next.js. Okay, let's say that for now. We'll see how it will go. For backend development, set up a new Django project now or use. Let's set it. That's the time. Okay, let's see. I will be using iTerm for that purpose. Let's split it vertically at first. Let's go to projects. Oh my god, I'm excited. Can I open Django docs for setting up yeah, Django, because it will be easier. Okay, so which Python version did I use? Let's start with that. Lol, I think it's using, yeah, I think it's acceptable, right? Okay, yeah, I will be using 4.2 of Django. Any comments you have? No. This step is only necessary if you'd like to work with a large database engine like PostgreSQL. If I can do this in SQLite, why bother PostgreSQL, man? I think SQLite will be enough for now. Let's see. I didn't make a project on SQLite before. Maybe I did like years ago. But we were using PostgreSQL as a database in my company, but we were using containers for that purpose, and I don't want to use. I don't know much about those dockerizations and stuff. I don't want to get into it. If SQLite would work, I would use SQLite. Okay, let's install Django. Okay, no need for latest developed version. I think can I? Okay, it doesn't see Django. I do have an environment. Maybe I can increase the text font a bit. Okay, make text better. One more. Okay, I think that's enough, but one more. I think it's Command plus, but it doesn't work in my Turkish keyboard. One more. Again, one more. That's okay. That's perfect. Let's clear the plates. I'm guessing my face appears right here, so I'll be careful of using that part. Anyways, so let me create. Okay, so I will be using. Okay, let's create a virtual environment called find Latin night. Nights? Find Latin night. Find Latin nights. Should I call it find Latin night or find Latin nights? It's not that very important, but I just want to ask it. Okay. You can have storage up to with SQLite, I mean, you say, right? I don't think so. It's very interesting. Can Başkan. Thank you. Gracias. Best greetings to the Barcelona. Somehow YouTube doesn't allow some comments about database suggestions. Like, I mean, it's weird. Like, does Twitch also prevents this kind of things? I don't know, but yeah, it's not cool, and I don't understand why it's not showing them. Anyways, you can use MongoDB Atlas. Okay, yeah, I can. Yeah, I've never worked with NoSQL databases, but that can work. But let me try SQLite. It's very easy. Yeah, it's built in and stuff. But yeah, I think the storage up to 5 megabytes is for MongoDB Atlas for database in cloud, and I think like 500 megabytes. I will have images. I will have images, but I won't be storing them in database, of course. And yeah, 500 is pretty good. Yeah, I will just write this to my notes. Okay. By the way, I'm not very sure how to store the images. We'll see that. Front end, Next.js, I guess it was. Was it Next.js? Okay. We'll move it with it. Okay, so I will use like I think this will eventually dude, come on,
Just make the decision for me. Yeah, let's just use find Latin nights, okay? Because I mean, usually you just want to find a single Latin night, but findlatinnights.com, findlatinnights.com, find Latin nights. I guess it's better. Okay, I'm just creating the virtual environment. It's done, and I'll be activating it. Source bin activate. Okay, it's now we're in. Let's go back to the documentation. Let's see the Django version. No, we just need to implement. We just need to install this Python. Maybe I can use just Python here with this virtual environment. Yeah, it's been working. Yeah, I may need to update the pip. That's also a great suggestion. Thanks for that. I will just again try to install Django, and it's probably print Django. What was it saying? Version. Dude, come on. Okay, very good. All right. So this is the. Okay. Go to the directory where you like to store your code and run the following command. What am I doing? It's not from here, right? Let's go back to. Wait. Probably I need to create a. Okay, let's do this from GitHub. Okay. Alright, so I want to create a new repository, and I may. Okay, let's find Latin nights. Okay. Description, let's say for description I will set the city. Let's make this private for now, because yeah, I will turn it to open. I will publicly make it available if that will be. I mean, yeah, I will just start with the most restricted phase, and then I will want to give freedom to it. I mean, no need actually. I will do this by myself. Licensing, I don't know much, to be honest, about licensing, and I will just copy this. I will just projects and clone that. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's enter to the find Latin nights. Great. What I will going to do is I will create the git ignore file. Okay. Any comments do you have? No. Django, Python, maybe SQLite. Let's okay. Django, Python. Next.js. Should I write it right now? Anyways, we can do it later. I think this is enough for now. Just copy paste this. Like environment stuff. No, because it's in a different folder. I personally store these virtual environments in another folder. So let's vim to it. Ignore, and I think we will do this right, or just yeah, and WQ. Now it's ready. Now what will we do? We'll just open it from, okay, so I may need to close my screen in a minute because, okay, no need. I will just, because sometimes old projects of mine, my company can appear, so that's why. And just a minute, I'm just opening it right now. Projects. I'm not in lights. Alright, let me check if any chat comments. No, continue. I'm closing this. So there's the git ignore, let's say first commit. Can I add an emoji here? Hooray. Yeah, let's do this. I think it will not be able to push it. I mean, this, I think I need to add I need to charge my AirPods. My neck become very stiff, yeah. Let's push it to the origin, like let's push it to remote, and let's give a 5 minute or 10 minutes break. I mean, I think they were showing this, yeah, right? I need to remote add origin to this, right? Let's do this. Remote origin already exists. Okay, let's do this then. Okay, I think we're good to go. I think it's being done, yeah. Okay, we'll move from here. I'm just going to close this, open this, and I will mute myself right here. I am back. I am just okay. I will be waiting. Yeah, I will. Yeah, I think my voice is acceptable right now. I don't think. I think it's. Yeah, I'm hoping at least it is. It sounds good. So the voice is okay, camera is okay, and screen is okay. Then we can continue working on it. So where were we? We were setting up a new Django project or using an existing one. Okay. So let's set up the project. I will just run this. Okay. And let's run this. Fine. Latin nights. Let's see what the folder structure has become. So it created a new file, which I want to move it to here. But let's do this. I think we had a new, like, we have Fine Latin Nights, and there becomes a duh. Okay, there's something going on. Yeah, I should be able to have. Yeah, I think, yeah. Just wait. I think I can. Do something like, let me see. I will just do this. I delete it all, and I will just do find Latin night dot. Now it should be a bit different. Let me see. Yeah, I guess, yes, delete that. Now I think it's, yeah, it's the more it's as expected. I am okay, so I just want to make some configurations to it. I just want to have a similar folder structure. I will just open two scopes of Django. This is a book about Django, which I usually use for having yeah, okay, so this is can I just take a second and I will close this right now, and I will take a look at my previous company's projects, and we'll check how the layout is in their cases. Okay, requirements is outside. Manage pie is outside. Readme is outside, and when you enter to the project Algorand, you see. Okay, the project was about Algorand. Okay. Okay, then I see URLs. Then Okay, I think it is as expected right now. I think it is okay right now. Where is ASCII, for example? Okay, I guess we're good. I am opening back my screen after checking out my previous company's projects. Now it looks like this. Yeah, I agree. Okay, shall we? Yeah, we'll just do that later, but... And it's... Yeah, it's working. Okay, great. Let's close this up. And I'm just closing this. Let's... Django project. That's okay. Let's shoot it. I guess it will work. Okay, no problem. So the structure is okay right now. And what else? Let's continue. Project is done. Project is done. Let's create a Django app to handle the dance events functionality. So let's create the app. Python manage.app, start app, and start app. What is the events? Dude, am I expected to create it? I don't think so. Maybe like I am expected to look. Yeah, I'm expected to enter this, then maybe this. No such file, and yeah, because it doesn't see there. Maybe like this. Destination directory doesn't exist, but I think you are expected to create it, right? Why don't you create that? Okay, anyways, I'll just create the directory for that manually, and events will go right here. And then I will do what? And then I will do that. And now we will have this. Migrations, admin, apps, models, test, views, URL. And we will have custom URLs over there. Anyways, that's okay. Let's I think that's I don't want to write an view right now. Admin is enough to me, to be honest. But I think we should add this app to the settings. Am I incorrect? Let's see to the next part. Database setup. Any comments do I have? Nope. Let's continue. So, database setup. No, I don't wish to use another database. Yeah, let's update the time zone to my time zone, which will be what you let's say UTC +3. Will I use what? List of time zones. I mean, I know, but I mean, okay, they have identifiers. UTC +3. Yeah, Istanbul. Turkey? Do they have Turkey? Anyways, let's write Turkey. I'm not sure that will work, but maybe like I can I can't. Okay, sorry. I'm just going to clear this up, and then I am planning to run server and check if there is any problem. It seems working. Oh my god, my foot came. Yeah, this will be next step. Okay, so we'll continue from here. We'll install the apps. We'll add the app to there. We'll do migrations and stuff, and we'll create models and continue from there. Yeah. Anyways, no Weaver currently, so that I can just right away eat my food and come back. Let's do that. Let's close this, open break image and mute the mic. Okay, now we're getting back. Just eat my lunch, I guess. It was pide. It was beautiful. It was so delicious. Okay, let's pull some. We'll just pour some coffee. Let's get going. So the step was creating a Django app to handle dance events functionality. Yeah, we did it. Define the models for dance events, including attributes like, yeah, we're just going to do that. Database setup. Yeah, we will use only SQLite. I think like we'll need to add I think it will be add install apps. Yeah, we'll yeah, it will be done later, I guess. All right, yeah, for now, I think I'll just do the migration right now. By the way, are we okay by the settings? I guess it is. All right, let's go. Let's run this. We've migrated. Are we going to see SQLite? Yeah, we've seen it. I just want to create app events. Okay, maybe like this Turkey thingy. Do I need do I need it right now? Probably I will not be needing that. So let's create app events. Let's commit that. Yeah, commit them and shoot it. Then what else? This migrate command looks at the installed app settings, creates any necessary database tables according to the database settings in your settings file, and the database migration is shipped with the app. You'll see a message for each migration it applies. If you're interested, run the command line client for your database and type dt. No, I'm not interested. Yeah, let's implement the models for here. Okay, it already created it. By the way, like I want this Python version to use which Python? This Python, okay? So that, yeah, now we're good. Let's copy paste this. No, I'll just, okay. Can you provide me the Django class corresponding Django class, Django model for the events table. Both. Okay, I know that. Okay, I'll just copy paste, then we'll take a look at them. Okay. So, yeah, let's see. What do we see here? So it's an event. There's a title, which is a char field of maximum length. All right, we can start with the most restricted one. So this is URL field, but like I think there is a file field or so in Django. I'm not sure. Like, do we have? No, not that. Do we have Django docs file field? Am I file field? Yeah, I guess it would be better to use I guess it would be better to use file field instead of. Okay, why did you choose? Okay, why did you choose image field? This is image field, right? Oh, this is file field. There's also image field. Did it use? Oh, it did use file field. No, I'm not. I just want to have an image field. Price can be price can change, right? In Turkey it's Turkish lira, in England it's sterling or pound, whatever they called. Right. Where is that thingy here? Image field, event images. Decimal field. Okay, title is this, upload to image field, char field, venue. Right, yeah. Price is max is 8, decimal place is 2. Does play with chata, does play salsa, external URL. External URL field. Right, yeah. Datetime field. Datetime field. Alright, anything to add? Anything to add? I don't think so. I don't think so. I think they're all required, right? I'm not sure. Is it important right now? No, it's not important because only the... I mean, validation is not something that is important right now, okay? Activating models. We just need to add it to installed apps, okay? Let's go here and we'll do what? We'll just do polls apps. It's not polls, it's events, right? Or is it like, what's the... Yeah, it's the app name. No, it's the model name polls. Right. And this app name is events, apps, and it will be what? Pconfig? Why is it called pconfig? Can I do this, please? Weird. Very weird. Steps. Events config, alright. And what to do now? Okay, no module find events. I mean, it isn't that important. Pconfig, that's called event with pconfig, right? The reason was that, okay, I just understood the reason. Let's do that, or let's not do that. Pconfig. Can we do it right now? Why it's... No, I'm just want to do. So when I execute it, should I check the commands? I don't think there's, yeah. Anyways, no module named events. I need to increase the brightness of my screen. Right. So no module called events. Install apps, app config. Why do you say that? Why do you say that to me? Pconfig, models, events. I mean, it's very visible that I'll just do the migration again. Yeah, okay, it's having some kind of, it's not seeing the module event. So probably should I use find Latin night events? Probably because of that. The thing is, this is because of that. No module name P, right? How come? Can we do something? Maybe make migrations? Cannot import events. Check that events config name is correct. I mean, that's correct, I guess. Why can't you see? Why can't you see that? Maybe I need to use not events, but maybe like find Latin night events. Can it this? Okay, cannot use image field because pillar is not installed. I think that is solving the problem, right? I think that it seems to be solving the problem. Can I just for 1 second look at my old company's repository to double check that? Because I don't want to spend time on this. I will just double check. And apps. Yeah, exactly. It is solved. I think it is solved right now. So what I will just do is that yeah, okay, I think we'll need to install this pillow thingy. Let's install it and then pip freeze, I guess. Do you remember that? Pip freeze, or yeah, let's see. we'll have the okay. Let's create a requirements that it was TXT, right? Type in extensions, no need to this, no need for this. Let's keep pillow, let's keep Django, and that will be basically it. Okay. And yeah, it's 9.5.0. It's installed. Let's make migrations now. It's done. Initial, it's called initial, that's okay. Then probably we'll just run the migrations directly. Let's just keep the tutorial. Let's just follow it. It just make the migrations, and then it shows SQL, like it's SQLite, it generates, and then it runs the migration. Let's see. Yeah, it's been migrated. This is great. I'm getting excited again. So playing with the API. Yeah, so I mean, let's install Shell Plus, right? GitHub. I'm used to it actually. Maybe Django Shell Plus. Django extensions. Okay, it's Django extensions. Pip install Django extensions. Which version is it? Let's freeze it. All right. So Python manager PyShell plus. I was expecting it to use okay, so then you will need to add it to your settings. It says installed apps. Can I just do this? Installed apps, Python manager.py, make migrations, probably no need for that. Migrate, no migrations, then shell plus. Yeah, we're good. Let's see, event, objects, all, no event at all. Event, objects, create. Shall we? Let's do this from Django admin, man. It will be much easier. So I guess, I mean, probably it shows, yeah, it just uses that model. You add some utility methods. Yeah, let's just move on to the next step. We just did it. We implemented necessary views and URL routes to display the dance event listing page. Okay, that's before that. I just want to use Django admin for why I want to use Django admin, because when I use Django admin, I will be able to create an event, and we'll be able to see it from Django admin's list view. So we'll have some kind of working version of the product. Okay, I'll just be checking the chat. That's okay. And create super user. Let's use John. Let's have this can I have like, okay, anyways, create anyways. So I just created the thingy. Let's run server and open it. Username is John. Save password. Okay, it's not visible there yet because I just need to create a relevant admin file for that. And meanwhile, my sister made the mobile version of design. Let's check that out. Okay, so we're going in. I mean, this is so weird that this I know this person, but my sister didn't know that. Okay, let's. I mean, they're not aligned, right? I think that's the problem. And it's bachata salsa. Like, I want to see them on the same line, but it might. Can it be like? I didn't like the colors actually. Yeah, that you need to bring it to the front. Yeah, I think color palette can be changed, but like, yeah, it's like for $1, man. Just for $1, just yeah. This bachata and salsa slash is not looking good, but anyways, yeah, it's That's what we need most of the time. Yeah, I think these information. I'm kind of disappointed. Why am I disappointed? Like, I was expecting something more alive, maybe? Or like, this category is not like, yeah, there will be a specific name of the dance event right there. And hours and price, yeah, bachata salsa, that's okay. Should I use this? Yeah, yeah, like for today I would like to use this kind of website. Okay. Like the color is, yeah, it would be better to have better like visual visual aesthetics, but I think that's not our main focus right now. I think, yeah. Yeah, that sounds better. That looks better. Okay. So whoa, what I will do? What I will do right now is let's follow the, yeah, any chat thing, no. Let's follow the, where is the, yeah, I mean, I was following the, I was writing the, yeah, I was just following the tutorial, but somehow, dude, come on. Yeah, let's go to the second part. Yeah, the admin is created, we run the server, we will, yeah, we'll just do this. Okay, we'll have the admin page around here, nope, right there. Let's use the direct, like yeah, direct absolute path, and let's see, I think we'll be able to see events right now. Okay, this will, let's add an event. Oh, I'm so excited right now. Let's have, so okay, let's choose the image. There was an image about that. Can I just paste it here? No. Let's have the dance floor, let's say. This is so funny. No, like, can I download this? Let's have it there. Why? Anyways. I mean, I can always use. Let me share a realistic one. Okay. Okay, this is from yesterday. Me and my friend dancing. It shows the venue area, I guess. So let's do that. Let's choose that from here. Venue. Moda Spor Kulübü. Price 100. It was that. It placed this. External URL. It was. I need to enter Instagram. Let's just go from here. Instagram Vedans. And let's see. It was about here, right? Yeah, that's the original post. Let's copy the link. It will direct you to their start time. Let's do this like this, okay? And time 6 p.m. end time and end time midnight. No, not midnight. Let's say 01. Not that much. That one, yeah. Let's say this is. Yeah, okay, so we know that this is an event object. We see that, okay, I mean, yeah, this is pretty good. Let me see. Let me go to the project, find Latin Nights. By the way, like, let's source VMEs, find Latin Nights, being activate, and Python manager py shell plus. And I want to check event objects all. Here is one. Let's get it and show the dictionary of it. Or how can I see it beautifully? I'm not sure. So ID1 title Vedans Latin Night, images event images model sport venue JPEG venue price display bachata display salsa zomba Instagram URL. Yeah, it just works. That's perfect. That's perfect. So what about in part 3? What does it show? It's about building the templates. Right, let's push it so it's where the event images are being. Let's ignore them. Event images. Okay, that's this, this. This. I think we've already set up the event. This is for adding the event model. I think like, yeah. So this is completed too. How about time situation? So just to be honest, it's getting bored. It's getting boring. Yeah. Let's see. So it's been updated. I'm just going to open the window. Okay, let's continue from. I'm just going to put my head like AirPods.
Okay, now we're transferred to this. So what else? I'll just try. Um, I mean, this is seriously amazing. This is seriously amazing. Okay. I want to just use the absolute path. Highlighted nights. Event. Models. That's great. Create a template file named event list. HTML in your Django templates directory. So where will I store the templates? So templates, pose, index. So events, here new folder templates, and here events, and then index.html. No, we're going to just say Oops. What we're just going to have event list HTML. Event list HTML. Define the URL route. Let's have this. So what we'll be doing in here is that we're just going to am I going to add some URL spy here? I just want to check my previous company's repository again. It's too funny. So there is, as far as I see, there is an interestingly include keyword is being used as far as I see. So probably, yeah, it will work as this, but then, yeah, this. All right, so I guess I'm ready to open my screen again. I will be okay, so I just included the include keyword here and represented the path. This is the URLs in the outside of the model, outside of the events app. So I just point to include the URLs of events app, name as events. And then what I will do here is that I will just accept an empty string and I will return event list function. Maybe like I don't need to like anyways, yeah, I prefer class-based view, but I think this will work. This configuration sets up a URL route that maps to event list view. When a user visits that URL, Django will invoke the event list view and render the associated template. Yeah, that's what I just done. That's what I just done. Do you think will it work right now? Can you just answer? Okay. Let's see. Let's open this first. Then check out events. It says template does not exist. Actually, it exists. Let's see. I think error will be displayed here. Because maybe I didn't, yeah. So it will probably, yeah, let's check the, yeah, it, how can it just say that? Template events, event list. Can I take a look at here? It's polls, templates, polls, index HTML. And what it will use is that polls index HTML. Okay, so then most probably I will just use in the view as events, event list HTML. Can it be that? No, not dot, but just this. Let's check that. Let's check that. Amazing. Any comments? No. Yeah. Okay, now we're a bit close to showing the, yeah, we're getting closer. So event title, venue. Let's show, oops. Let's show all field, venue. So what else? Title, venue. Let's put the image below or so. Yeah, like showing the image will be the hard part probably. Say event price. I'll just copy paste this. Price does play bachata. Yeah, let's just does play bachata, does play bachata. Does play salsa, does play salsa. Does play kizomba, does play kizomba. External URL. Maybe I can edit to somewhere else. End date time. And I want to show the image here. Okay. Again, I'll just event model accept external URL. Okay. I want to be able to redirected to the external URL when I click to the title of the event, and I'd like to see the event image. Right at, I think, yeah. Come on, man. Okay, yeah, I know you'll just use hrefs. Yeah, probably. Okay, I'll just copy paste this. And let's see. Okay, it doesn't work. By the way, price is shown as here. It's not correct. Let's have tele here. Okay. Other than that, it looks pretty good actually. Let's click that. Oh my God, so good. I want to see the image, man. Come on. What should I do to do that? I think it was specified here. Any comments? No. Continue. Yeah, it looks much better. Not this, but yeah, it's getting closer to that. My sister is working on it. Yeah. Image field. Let's go. So for image field, I think it goes, yeah. You need to define a media route as the full path to your directory where you'd like Django to store uploaded files. Yeah, that's media route. I don't understand. Why should I define the... I'm just praying that it will work. Okay, I am currently in an unknown territory, just doing whatever it tells me to do. I just wish to see the end result, and that's all I'm just doing right now. That's why I'm a bit silent right now. Um, right. What else? I mean, it's it's very much the same thing, isn't it? I'm not sure why. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure. Um, your project's main URL is py file. Import the settings. Media URL. Anyways, so what does this tell me? Add the initial to your file. Define upload to option to specify a subdirectory of media root. Um, yeah, I think it will media root. Yeah. Um, let's. I just want to delete this. Why can't you? I think media. It's already. Yeah. Let's delete this. Yes. Let's add new one. Night. Choose the image here. Venue. Use patata salsa. External URL. This one. Start date time. Let's do this like that. Today, 6 p.m. Save. Now it's been created. And if I just do this, amazing, amazing. When you click to that, it sends you to the original post. And that's how you do Üreticinden. That's how you do a website. Oh my god. Oh my god. Um, okay. I think we're good. This is done. This is done. And now we're going back. We're going to front-end development, it seems, right? Seems like that. Very much seems like that. Hey, ChatGPT, as a class-based view, please. Ah, it's very good. It's very good. It's very clever. Yeah. So what we did actually here is that we've defined a new structure like media. Yeah, that's where it's being stored right now. If I, like for example, if I delete this, most probably I will be able to access to the same thing. This is something very good. I'm really happy with the current situation right now, even though my sound seems like it isn't. Okay, amazing, just amazing. So now it seems like the next step will be the front-end development. I don't like the purple one, yeah. I mean, this is not so critical. But anyways, what am I going to do right now is Storing these images in the cloud will be a somewhat can be somewhat difficult task, but with ChatGPT, it's amazingly fast. You know, I mean, this was yeah, I was not imagining this to be that fast. I'm kind of amazed by it. I'll just give a 5 minute break actually, just to keep everything in mind, just to like not keep in mind, but just to relax a bit. Then maybe I will continue, or maybe I will end today. So yeah, just a 5 minute break. Hello hello. Ben geri döndüm. Eee, Cep telefonuna takıldım işte öyle bir vakit geçirdim. Oh, I forgot about the language of the live stream. Okay, this is the latest version of design, I guess. Um, Looks much better. Much better. Maybe the like we can have different colors for different dates because I mean to in order to represent um, but yeah, that's just again, it's an aesthetic thing, and that's not uh, really our priority right now. So let's go, let's go. This is very good. So I think like next steps is having the design and doing the front end development. That part, uh, but like I think I'll just ignore that part for now, and I'll just probably go with deployment tomorrow. And for today, I will end this stream. I can, yeah, I can just state what I did in this stream. I can, yeah, after closing that, after closing this live stream, I will do that. And yeah, just it seems, yeah, we did backend development today. And tomorrow I'm planning to do the deployment stuff, and hopefully people will be able to see events, even if they are completely mess visually right now. But like tomorrow, probably people will be able to see that. But like it will be a challenge. I'll call tomorrow as a deployment day. Like if I can finish it tomorrow, that would be a great achievement. Um, yeah, it's 17th of June. It is going great. Um, yeah, hopefully it will be ready soon. So let's end this one right now. Take care.